I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight.
Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. Upstairs and downstairs. In his nightgown. Rapping at the window, crying through the lock. Are the children in their beds? For now, it's 8 o'clock.
Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John went to bed with his trousers on. One shoe off, the other shoe on. Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John.
Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby. Cradle and all. Didn't get Clarence the Goose to come down.
Sorry, Mother Goose.
Now, you all tried your very best, and I thank you very much. I guess the children at the library will just have to wait until tomorrow for my book.
I don't think so.
Why's that, Derek?
Because I have a really big idea about how we can catch Clarence, but we'll all have to work together.
Okay. What's your plan?
Okay, Sean, start honking like you did in the classroom, and we'll do the rest.
Okay.
Honk, 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 honk.
Honk, honk.
Honk, honk.
Honk, honk.
Honk, honk. Honk. It's working. Okay, man, it's your turn.
Hi, Clarence. I'm a goose, too.
Okay, Julie, now you go.
Oh, this is great.
Oh, look. Here's the little girl that brings breadcrumbs for the geese. La, 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 la. Look at all this good goose food. Yummy. I think I'll leave the rest of these breadcrumbs right here.
Okay, Barney, do your thing.
Okay. Hey, look up there.
Clarence, we've been looking for you all day. Now, I really must be going if I'm going to get to the library with this book. And I could not have done it without all your help. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome anytime, Mother.
And thank you, Barney.
Oh, we were glad to help, Mother Goose.
And we had lots of fun with your book today.
Oh, we sure did.
Well, with all the fun we had today with just one book, think of all the fun in a whole library full of books.
Wow. I can't wait to get to the library.
And I can't wait either. I've got to go. But you'll always know where to find me. Remember, I'm in the book. Come on, you silly goose.
There she goes.
Barney, I just love meeting your friends.
Oh, and I love all of you. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be.
from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I can't wait to go to the library to borrow Mother Goose's book.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Won't it, Barney? Bye, Barney. Bye.
See you later.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. Oh, we had a super-duper time today when we got a visit from Clarence the Goose and from our good friend Mother Goose. Mother Goose was taking her book of rhymes to the library for children to borrow. You can borrow books if you put your name on a library card, just as Sean did. We tried to bring Clarence back by telling lots of Mother Goose rhymes, like to market, and Humpty Dumpty. We found fun games in Mother Goose's book, like London Bridge and Ring Around the Rosie. And I got to use my imagination to make believe that I was Wee Willie Winky. We had such a good time, it's no wonder that Clarence came back to Mother Goose. And you can have fun like that too, with Mother Goose's book or lots of other books from the library. You're going to love the library, and I love you.
Barney and Friends is funded in part by Kimberly Clark, makers of Huggies diapers, baby wipes, and training pants, proud to support the development of happy babies, and the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and the annual financial support from viewers like you.